Good morning, my dear students. Class, today I have come up with your chapter number 1. Chapter number 1, real number. So, class, we have done chapter number 2 and 4. Now we will do this and after that third chapter. Class, real numbers, there are two types: irrational numbers and rational numbers. Rational number, you all know, which can be written in the form of P upon Q. In class 9th, you have been doing this. There was also the chapter number 1 where we have learned how to convert into P upon Q form also. So here we are not going to learn that, we are going to use it. Irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-recurring. Non-recurring मतलब जैसे like 0.1001101001. So you can see that it is non-repetitive. Sometimes it is coming more zeros, sometimes it is coming 1. So it is not a rational number because it cannot be converted into a P upon Q form. Now class, you have a Euclid method. You can say you have a Euclid method, or you can say lemma, but it is used to find the SCF basically. So I have written directly Euclid method to find the SCF. So class, in this method, if a number is divided by b, a is divided by b. During the offline classes also I was teaching you dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Same thing it is, but if you see, the remainder should always be less than b and greater than equals to 0. Agar, I have told you many times, there also, if suppose 15 divided by 7, remainder will come 1. If I say 16, remainder will be 2. If I 14, then remainder will be 0. If I say 21, remainder will be 0. If I say 20, then remainder will be 6. So it will go from 0 to 6 only if a number is divisible by 7. So that is the Euclid division lemma. So what I have written, when in exam if it is coming Euclid division lemma, you will write this only. In your book also you can see that in second or third page it is given. So class, let's proceed. Let's do some example. Class, you can see here I want to find the SCF between this. Now dividend, divisor, 4 जा, क्योंकि 65 4 जा, it will be 260 or 5 will be the remainder. Now what we have to do, we have to take 65 in this place and 5 in this place. Now we have to check for, this is the quotient, this is the dividend, this is the divisor, and into 13 करने पे it is cancelling completely, no remainder left. तो this 5 is the SCF. ऐसा नंबर जिससे लास्ट में पूरी तरह डिवाइड हो जाएगा वही SCF होता है. See here also 225 90. 225 is the dividend, this is the divisor, this is the quotient, remainder. You have to do, you can do roughly also, no need to learn. You can do like this also कि 225 यहाँ लिखा, फिर उसके बाद 90 यहाँ लिखा, कितने में गया है तो वो यहाँ लिख दिया, और रिमाइंडर जो आएगा you can write it here. Finally, 90 in this position, 45 in this position. Now on solving, what's the result? 45 is the SCF. You try by your method also to find the SCF, you will get the same result. So class, they have written, I have this solution are step by step. First of all, we have to check 265 is greater than 135, 235 is greater than 225 is greater than 135. So it will be the dividend, and it will be the divisor. Same condition as I have told you previously, you have to do. So at last 45 is the SCF. Now again, second part of it, this is obviously greater than this. Now divide it, it is going completely divisible by 195. So 196 is the, this divisor is the SCF. Third part you have to try yourself. Now see question number 2. In question number 2, any positive integer in the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. मतलब ये कहना क्या चाह रहा है कि अगर कोई नंबर 6 से डिवाइड होता है तो ये वो नंबर हैं जो कि ऑड नंबर्स होंगे. सो क्लास, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू सी दैट 6 से डिवाइड होना है, तो आर ए विल बी ए इज इक्वल्स टू 6q प्लस आर. और आर कहाँ से कहाँ तक होगा? 0 1 2 3 4 5, क्योंकि किससे डिवाइड होना है? 6 से. क्वेश्चन में ये हिंट है, एक्चुअली डायरेक्टली कुछ भी नहीं बताया जाएगा, लेकिन यहाँ से पता चल रहा है कि 6 से डिवाइड हुआ है. उसके बाद व्हाट आर द नंबर्स? नंबर इज, इफ वी सी हेयर, 6q प्लस 1, आर की वैल्यू 2 सब्सटीट्यूट करी, 6q प्लस 2, 6q प्लस 3, 6q प्लस 4, 6q प्लस 5, इतना ही होगा. आफ्टर दैट इसको देखो, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 2 इंटू 3q. तो व्हाट इट हैज़ बिकम, ये 2 का मल्टीपल बन गया लेकिन 1 रह गया है, तो दिस इज़ द ऑड नंबर. ये भी ऑड नंबर की फॉर्म है. देखो इन्होंने क्या करा है, 6q प्लस 3 को लिखा है 6q प्लस 2 प्लस 1, और इन दोनों में से 2 कॉमन ले लिया, तो अब ये 2 का मल्टीपल हो गया, यानी फिर से ऑड नंबर की फॉर्म हो गई. आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन माई एक्सप्लेनेशन कॉन्जुगेटिव नंबर वाले में, 2k प्लस 1 इज़ द फॉर्म ऑफ ऑड नंबर, और अगर 2k की फॉर्म हो गई तो वो इवन नंबर होता है. तो दे आर यूजिंग द सेम मेथड. So class, see one more. See in this again, अच्छा we have done this one. In this you see 4q plus 5, 4q plus 6q plus 5, 6q plus 5, they have written 6q plus 4 plus 1 here. Now 2 taking common plus 1. So again it is in the form of 2k plus 1. So again it is a odd number. So all these are in the form of this, and they are not divisible by 2. So these expressions are the number of odd number. So this is the answer. हमें ये प्रूव करना था कि ये सारे के सारे ऑड की फॉर्म में है. So class, you have to try this exercise. Very easy exercise it is, if you will do it with a full concentration. All the best.